Principal Secretary is present, the Inspector General of the National Police Service, Commissioner General of Kenya Prison Service, stakeholders and partners who include the British High Commissioner and all those present today, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am delighted to join you here on this unique occasion when His Excellency the President will launch two strategic plans, the National Police Service Strategic Plan 2023 to 2027 and the State Department of Correctional Services Strategic Plan 2023 to 2027. These two plans highlight the important role of the National Police Service and Correctional Services in national security and public safety that are critically essential for our economic and social development. The National Police Service Strategic Plan underlines the government's commitment to ensure that the National Police Service delivers on its vision of being a world-class police service and upholds its mission of providing professional, innovative, and people-centered services to promote a safe and secure society. On its part, the State Department for Correctional Services Strategic Plan focuses on enhancing security through containment, supervision, rehabilitation, and reintegration of offenders into the society. It also highlights critical strategies for improving correctional services in the country. The two strategic plans are anchored on the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and the Fourth Medium-Term Plan. They support the bottom-up economic transformation agenda and Kenya Vision 2030. The strategic plans are particularly important tools for enhancing development effectiveness and must be aligned with our national priorities. They are expected to promote a conducive environment for the people to enhance their livelihood, opportunities, and for business to prosper. While each of the strategic plans is uniquely tailored to the mandate of the respective service, both are geared towards the government's agenda for a more inclusive society. They enhance opportunities for dialogue with people and foster community partnerships based on respect for the rule of law, democracy, and human rights. Constructive engagement with citizens is necessary to resolve emerging conflicts in the delivery of police and correctional services. We must seek to promote trust and understanding that will ensure the security of our citizens, improve the business climate, and stimulate Kenya's socio-economic transformation. I wish to reaffirm the government's commitment to support the National Police Service and the State Department for Correctional Services to scale up the initiatives undertaken during their previous strategic plan periods. We promise to work with you on this journey. Collaboration with key stakeholders, including the communities you serve, is vital to delivering the impact in